Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make egg quiche in a muffin pan using an easy method. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need 6 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and your preferred fillings. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and make sure to grease a 12-cup muffin pan thoroughly. This simple preparation ensures your mini quiches will turn out perfectly. Now let's combine our ingredients. In a medium bowl, whisk together the 6 eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper until well blended. Next, evenly distribute your chopped fillings into each of the 12 greased muffin cups. Finally, carefully pour the egg mixture over the fillings, making sure to fill each cup about 2/3 full to prevent overflow. It's time to bake these delicious mini quiches. Place your muffin pan into the preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know they are ready when they are set and lightly golden brown. A simple test is to insert a knife into the center. If it comes out clean, they are done. Let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes before gently removing them. Your easy muffin quiches are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm for a delightful breakfast, brunch, or a quick snack. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they'll stay fresh for up to 3 days. They reheat beautifully. Also, for some great deals and a link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.